In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder and upload files in Google Drive, ensuring you can efficiently organize and manage your digital documents. We'll begin by heading to Google Drive, which you can easily access by visiting drive.google.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials if you aren't already logged in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive homepage, a central hub for your files and folders. Now, look to the upper left portion of the screen where you'll spot a button labeled New. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Folder. Selecting this option will prompt a small dialog box to appear, prompting you to name your new folder. Choose a memorable and descriptive name for your folder to ensure you can easily identify its contents later on. After you've entered your folder name, click Create, and just like that, your new folder will appear in your drive. With your folder set up, let's move on to uploading files. Return to the New button in the top left corner, and this time, instead of selecting Folder, choose File Upload. This will bring up your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse and choose the files you wish to upload. You can select a single file or hold down the Ctrl or CMD on Mac key to choose multiple files. Once your selection is made, click Open. Google Drive will then begin uploading your files, and you'll see a progress indicator in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you want to upload an entire folder instead of individual files, Google Drive conveniently provides this functionality. Simply click New again, and this time opt for Folder Upload. Navigate through the File Explorer to locate the folder you wish to upload, select it, and click Open. The folder and its entire contents will then be uploaded to your Google Drive. All the while, you can track the upload progress in the bottom right corner. Lastly, let's organize these files by placing them into the folder you just created. Find the files or the folder you uploaded, and you can do this by returning to the main screen of your Google Drive. Once located, click and hold the file or folder, then drag it over to the newly created folder on the left sidebar, releasing the mouse button to drop it inside. Following these steps simplifies the way you store, access, and organize important documents on Google Drive, making your digital workspace more manageable and structured. Whether it's for personal use or professional management, mastering Google Drive is a fundamental skill in today's digital world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these steps both practical and effective